everyone, I am Mrs. Beck, and today I'm going to help you with multiplying rational numbers. The first rule we're going to talk about is multiplying numbers with the same sign. So when we're doing that, the product of two positive numbers or two negative numbers is going to be positive. So I have two positive numbers right here. I multiply them together, 5 times 2, and I get a positive result of 10. I have two negative numbers right here, negative 5 and negative 2. I multiply them together, I get a positive result of 10. Okay, you guys, the second rule is multiplying numbers with different signs. So the product of a positive number and a negative number, or a negative number and a positive number, is going to be negative. So for right here, I have a positive number and a negative number. I multiply them together, 3 times a negative 6, it gives us a negative 18. Right here, I have a negative number and a positive number. I multiply negative 3 times positive 6, I'm going to get a negative answer of negative 18. So you guys, when you're multiplying two positive numbers or two negative numbers, you're going to get a positive answer, a positive sign. When you're multiplying a positive number and a negative number, or a negative number and a positive number, you're going to get a negative answer or sign. Okay, you guys, so let's work some examples together. For number 1, we have 1/2 being multiplied by 1/4. The first thing we're going to do is look at the sign. We have two positive numbers here, so therefore I know I'm going to get a positive answer. So now I'm going to multiply my numerators. 1 times 1 gives me 1. And 2 times 4 for my denominator is going to give me 8. So my final answer, a positive 1/8. Let's look at number 2. I'm multiplying a negative number times a positive number. So therefore I know my final answer is going to have a negative sign. So when I do that, I multiply my numerators. 5 times 1, I'm going to get 5. And my denominator, there's a 1 under this 5, so 1 times 3 is going to give me 3. Now I can leave it like this or change it to a mixed number of a negative 1 2/3. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and finish with some more examples. For number 3, I'm multiplying two decimals. They're both negative, so therefore I know I'm going to get a positive answer. So when I multiply a negative 2.5 times a negative 0.3, I'm going to get a positive 0.75. Okay, you guys, I want you to do number 4 on your own. You have 3 times negative 1/3. You have a positive being multiplied by a negative number. So would you get A, a positive sign, or B, a negative sign? Choose either A or B, and then hit continue when you're ready.
That's right.
Okay, you guys, your answer should have been B, negative. So when I multiply a positive number times a negative number, I'm going to get a negative answer. So for this one, 3 times 1 is going to give me 3. And then I have a 3 for a denominator here, and it's a negative 3/3. So my final answer is going to be a negative 1. Okay, you guys, so let's just go over a few more things here. So when I'm multiplying, I'm going to end up, when I have a positive being multiplied by a positive, I'm going to get a positive sign. Negative being multiplied by a negative, I'm going to get a positive sign. And a negative being multiplied by a positive, I'm going to get a negative sign. And a positive being multiplied by a negative is going to give me a negative sign. Alright, you guys, so I hope this has helped you with multiplying rational numbers. Have a great day.